Put the wig on and go. Put the wig on and go. Hey y'all, hey. I got a package and it is from Ashimary or Ashimary. I be cutting these names up, y'all. But here is the packaging. So let's get into what came in the package first. They sent a nice little edge brush, some lashes, some stocking caps that I already took out the pack because I'm getting ready to put it on. And they did send like a little slip dress, but baby, it was too small, so I can't do nothing with that. Set it over there. Okay, so let's get into the construction of the wig. This wig, the caps look like this. Didn't come with any combs or anything, but I don't use them, so that was fine anyway. And it is a closure unit. You can see the knots are already bleached, and it does have a elastic band. The band is adjustable. Now, the one thing that I did like was they asked me what size cap I wanted, because everybody be sending me these big head friendly wigs, and that's good for people that got a big head, or even if you got a lot of hair underneath. But I have short hair and I have a small head, so a lot of times the wigs fit because of the band, but you know, it's just, it'd be a lot of wigs. So I appreciate them asking my cap size. I really do. So let me put on a little makeup and I'll be back. Hey girl, hey. So I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on here just so that line, you won't be able to see it through my part. Y'all know that little line that you can see. The Ashimary. Girl, what? So let me go fix up the parts, you know what I'm saying? But look, y'all, I ain't did nothing, like nothing. 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 This might be the best one yet, girl. So y'all, excuse the lighting because I did have to switch to the bathroom, so that is where all my stuff at, not at my makeup stand. So it's a little echoey in here, but you know, it's all good. So I did put some wax stick on here, Main Life Collection.
Me twice.
Now, as far as fit, I will say it's still a little bit big. My head is small, y'all. But thank God for the band and the clips and the combs to hold me down. So I put just like 3 drops of oil on there. I don't want it greasy, but I do want it to lay. This mirror is just not acting right. So I am going to take a little smidget of baby hair. It's a smidget. Smidget now, smidget. What you doing, Mello? And you very much do not have to do this. You don't. Like, you definitely can just wear it like this. I'm a little extra. Take a little bit of Main Life Collection foam wrap because we don't use the blue stuff over here. even baby hair. It's like adult hair.
Team DMS.
And then for that extra melt, so I'm gonna let that sit on. I did not flat iron it or anything, y'all. I want y'all to get the full effect of what you get, because sometimes we ain't got time to be flat ironing hair. We ain't got time to be doing all that. We just trying to, you know, put the wig on and go. Put the wig on and go. Oh, 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 oh. Put the wig on and go. Put the wig on and go. Let her melt, y'all, and your girl gonna be back. Okay? Okay. Y'all, Mello just wanted to be seen so bad. Say hey, Mello. Say hey, Mello Patrick. Look. Say hey, Mello Patrick. Now you don't want to look in the camera. But you wanted to get in my lap so bad because you see I was busy. Now he's shy, y'all. Look, he won't even look. Look. I don't want your kiss. Acting up real bad. I don't want your sugar. And while my lace is lacing, I'm gonna put something just to define the part a little bit. And L'Oreal Fit Me does the job. Ow! My dog really hates when he's not getting no attention. Right? He wants all the attention. All the attention. Y'all see that? And anybody can do this. This is not hard.
Team DMS.
What? This is like the bomb. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can get a full.
Team D.
What? Huh? You said something? Oh. So I will leave the description at the bottom of this wig. I will have everything in the description box below for you guys to check them out. I have a coupon code for you guys as well. And if you guys want to see more wig reviews or videos like this, make sure you comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys again for the next video.